The cryptocurrency market is ripe with opportunity, and as you guys can see right now, Pepe is absolutely soaring in value. Okay, on the day, it may not be breaking new all-time highs, but that is exactly what it is attempting to do. Bust out and break some all-time highs. We're going to be talking about Pepe in this video because you have got some traders making tens of millions of dollars. And I'm also going to be talking about another opportunity because at this point in the game, Pepe might be too late, but there's some other pre-sales out there gearing up to launch very, very soon. They can do the exact same thing for you. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we have got Pepe on the screen right now, and oh my goodness. Look at this all-time chart right here. You can see that Pepe is absolutely performing phenomenally, and it is attempting to set all-time highs. It is back just down a little bit over the last couple of days here after attempting this all-time high around $4.5 billion market caps, and I do believe that it can rip up through those levels and move even higher as the meme coin category gains in value. Now I'm going to be jumping into a cryptocurrency that's still in the pre-sale stages in a couple of minutes here, but Dogeverse could absolutely provide the exact same opportunity for you. Now I'm going to link it down in the description, I'm going to link it down in the comments, so make sure you guys use that official link so that you do pull up the correct website. Otherwise, you could get caught up in a scam, and trust me when I tell you, there's a lot of scams out there. But you need to see these headlines surrounding Pepe right now. Look at this right here. Crypto trader turns $3,000 into $46 million in 1 month as Pepe price soars. Now, I know you read these all the time and you think that could never be me. I could never do that. But it absolutely could. Maybe not in Pepe at these levels, unless of course you were willing to leverage. This trader clearly had a very heavy leverage going on and got very lucky in the timing in which he bought Pepe on such high leverage. A couple percentage swing to the downside, and of course his account would have been busted and that $3,000 would have turned into zero. But if you're looking for an opportunity where you can make, 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x gains, I don't know exactly what's going to happen in the future. Nobody does. I mean, my goodness, if they tell you they do, they're probably lying straight through their teeth to you. But major opportunity is still abundant in the crypto space. If you guys see gains like this and you want to participate, Dogeverse could absolutely be that opportunity. So let's spend a second talking about it. But first, let's talk about the cryptocurrency market in general. Certain elections are going to be taking place here in the United States over the coming months, and this November could, pave the way for cryptocurrency innovation, cryptocurrency, guidelines, and cryptocurrency abundance. And if that's the case, yes, Bitcoin will soar. Yes, altcoins will soar, but meme coins will see the largest increase. So if you're looking at Pepe and you're thinking, man, I wish I would have got in early, Dogeverse could absolutely be that next opportunity. Now, it is very easy to connect your wallet. Simply make sure you click on that link in the description below or the comments, and then type in how much you want to buy. 62 Ethereum is going to get you 578 million Dogeverse. And I say 62 Ethereum, I am laughing a little bit, but there are whales jumping into Dogeverse. And this transaction right here, 62.3 Ethereum worth over $190,000 worth of Dogeverse in a single transaction. The big boys are here to play. And trust me, guys, you don't bet $190,000 on something unless you are very confident that it is going to go up in value. So after you decide to buy either on the Ethereum network or the BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, or Solana network, the beautiful part is you're going to be able to claim on all of those networks as well. On Ethereum, on BNB, on Polygon, on Avalanche, Base, and Solana, because Dogeverse isn't a meme. It combines the best of meme coins and multi-bridging utility. If you guys are unfamiliar with what a bridge is, you can seamlessly and easily move over from one blockchain, say Ethereum, over to Solana, and it is that simple. That is what Dogeverse is gearing up to do. Combine the best of both the meme coin world with this Doge or with this Shiba Inu dog, and of course the utility world with a multi-chain bridge on the top 6 most active blockchains that are out there. On top of all of that, you guys can come out and follow their X account and see just 1, how active they are out there, 2, how quickly they're gaining followers, already over 18,000, and they've been doing this pre-sale for a little over a month now. Incredible growth in terms of followers, but look at the engagement. Posted this X earlier today, 8.6 thousand views, 31,000 views, 44,000 views, 50,000 views. These guys are gaining in terms of pre-sales, and they're gaining in terms of community as well. Reminiscent of the very early days in Pepe, I do think that Dogeverse could be a very good opportunity. Now, full disclosure, I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow, and I have no idea what's going to happen to the price of Dogeverse when it does launch. But I want to be open with you guys. I have bought into Dogeverse, and I have bought into Dogeverse what I would consider heavy. So I am excited about the price of Dogeverse. I do believe we have excellent days ahead of us, and I think the cryptocurrency market is going to get even more exciting, of course, as we get closer to November and as we get closer to the end of the year. If you guys are looking for opportunity, make sure to check it out in the description. Make sure to leave a comment on there. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.